Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when you're not receiving messages on WhatsApp. If you're experiencing this issue, don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps to fix it. Let's get started. If you're not receiving messages on WhatsApp, it can be due to several common issues. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection. WhatsApp requires a stable internet connection to send and receive messages. Ensure you're connected to a strong connection, Wi-Fi network, or have a good mobile data signal. Another important step is to check if restricted data uses for WhatsApp. Go to settings, then the data uses, and ensure WhatsApp is allowed to use both mobile data and Wi-Fi. Sometimes notification settings can affect message reception. Open WhatsApp, go to settings, then notifications. Ensure that the notifications are enabled to set to the correct preferences. Also check your phone system settings to ensure that the notifications for WhatsApp are allowed. If you're still not receiving messages, it might be an issue with the app itself. Try clearing cache on your phone on Android, and for iPhone you can uninstall it and reinstall it later. If you found this video helpful, please leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.